Kasi for work nila, maraming pinagdaanan yung parents ko po to the point na at least 15 years later, we were able to be more comfortable. I graduated from my high school years there in Canada na rin. It was lots of learning experiences for me.
Okay na kayo sa Canada, tapos bumalik ka ng Pilipinas.
Umuwi po kami every 2 years sa Pilipinas. Nag-enjoy ako pag Pasko, pag New Year. Ang ingay po dito, ang dami naming pamilya, masaya. Sinabi ko na kay Mama, doon ako mag-aaral sa Pilipinas pag college. Naramdaman ko lang na gusto ko talaga dito. It was for basketball at the time. Sabi ko, gusto ko mag-try out for UAAP sa basketball kamo. And sabi na, ha? Huwag ka mag-aaral, ayaw mo dito. So sila yung nagulat. And then to the point, nung diretso showbiz na, sabi ko, ay, gusto ko na po doon na, gusto ko na i-try out din. Sabi nila, okay, sige. Pinagbigyan na nila po ako.
But did you want to be in showbiz?
Well, actually, growing up, it was never a dream of mine. It was really my sister's. My sister was the one they were training to sing, to dance, to act. She was doing all the Disney stuff. And I was just sitting there kasi mahihain po ako. So during our family parties, may karaoke, may ganun. Sabi ko, ate, ko bahala na dyan. Ako talagang super hiyain. So seeing myself in the limelight as an actor or artista, parang hindi ko na-imagine. And it wasn't my dream growing up.
Was there a time you wanted to give up showbiz and go back to Canada?
There hasn't been that time yet, but there has been times na burnout na ako, sa pagod siguro. Pero kasi masasabi ko hindi pa because I told myself, itutuloy ko lang tong trabaho na to if talagang gusto ko. Because this work is an art, it's a craft, especially acting, and feeling ko I need to really have that passion in me para magpatuloy. Pag naramdaman ko po yun, kakusapin ko agad parents ko kasi ayoko maramdaman yun.
Ilang bedroom ba to?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms po.
Wow!
Yeah.
5-bedroom house na 2 stories?
Yes po.
5 bedrooms is big.
Yes po.
And ang ano niya, very airy.
And lots of light.
I like this. Maaliwalas yung bahay.
Well, I'll show you the other bedrooms muna.
Okay, so this is a guest bedroom.
Guest bedroom. And ang maganda po kasi lahat talaga meron na may cabinet na, meron pa yung sa console.
Oo, I like this talagang space saver.
Yes po.
You can put a mini TV there, you can put personal items.
And lahat po, they all have washrooms, all the bedrooms.
Wait, 1 bathroom each?
Yes po. So it's really, really nice.
Even yung pagkagawa po ng banyo, ito, I want you to see this. Ganito kabago ang bahay at naka-plastic pa po. Even the mirror and the tiles.
And the tiles fall over.
Very nice.
They were put in lots of effort sa details po. Even yung floor is engineered hardwood.
I like
so talagang maganda po yung quality nito.
Oo, na malaki ang plant.
And then ito naman po is my parents' room. They want this room na may foam pa lang kami, wala pang kama.
So soon there will be a bed.
Yes po.